Hey guys, it is day 3 here in Vegas and we've got another great day planned. We're going to start the day going up to the beautiful Red Rock National Conservation Area, see if we can get some good footage up there and hike around for a little bit. And then this afternoon, we're going back down to the Strip to catch some of the sights down there. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest videos that come out. It took about 30 minutes to get from Kim and Jason's out to Red Rock Canyon, but it didn't take very long at all for the drive to start to get extremely beautiful. All right, so we are here at Red Rock Canyon and we're gonna go hiking around a little bit and see if we can find a place maybe to take the drone off and get some drone footage and just appreciate how beautiful it is up here. I'm not super into hiking in general, but it gets a lot easier for me to hike when these are the surroundings I'm looking at. I got the drone out and took it up into the air to try to get some footage of this just amazing scenery that's all around me. Man, this area is so beautiful. I just got done flying my drone around and got some, I think, some pretty good footage. Put my 360 camera on it for a little bit. Hopefully I got some good footage with that. But just walking around and appreciating the beauty around here. Look at this. Man, that is just crazy. We then drove over to another trail area that was really close to this spectacular mountain range and hiked down to check out the sights. It's so pretty over here. It's right by the mountain range that we were looking at earlier. It's a lot closer to it. I love the red stripe on that mountain range right over there. I think that's super cool. It's just a beautiful area. This is a good time of year here too, where you still have the green from the winter mixed with the red and just all the different colors. It's so pretty. I couldn't resist taking the drone up into the air again to try to just catch some of the amazing beauty of this area. Alright, so flying the drone over here was a ton of fun. All you have to do is look at the mountain range behind me right now, and it's not hard to believe that flying a drone around here would be super, super cool. And it was. Hopefully some of the footage that I put on here for you guys is as spectacular as the scenery is. Hopefully I do it some justice, we'll see. But yeah, this has just been a great location, a great time coming out here. So grateful to Jason and Kim for bringing us out here. It's been a really, really cool experience. Yeah, if any of you guys are in the Las Vegas area and you have the chance to come out to the Red Rocks National Conservation, do it. It is absolutely incredible and it's worth the drive out here for sure. All right, guys, so we are down on the strip by the Bellagio and Planet Hollywood. We're gonna try to get something to eat and see some of the sights. All right, we are in the Miracle Mile shops that's connected to Planet Hollywood. And we're heading to Ramsay Burger to see how crowded they are and see if there's any chance we can get a Gordon Ramsay hamburger, which should be good. It's really pretty in here. It kind of reminds me of Disneyland with like the lights and the ceiling painted like sky, stuff like that. So it's a really cool place. So we made it over to Ramsay Burger and somehow we were able to get seated right away. The atmosphere inside of Ramsay Burger is really fun. It's got a modern feel to it, but it's still classy at the same time. All right, so we were lucky enough to get a table right away at Ramsay Burger. Normally, this place is really hard to get into and there's a line outside, but we must have timed it well, or the restaurant gods are with us or something, because we walked right up and they sat us down And so we're gonna get to enjoy a Gordon Ramsay burger, which I'm super excited about. So the menu didn't have a lot of items on it, but they all looked really good. Then the food started to come out and it looked incredible. I have never been this excited to eat a hamburger in my life.
It's an impossible.
That was an amazing burger. Best burger I've ever had. So that was an amazing lunch. If you guys ever get a chance to go to Planet Hollywood in Vegas and get to go to Gordon Ramsay Burger, it is incredible. The truffle burger was great. Angie and Kim both loved their foods, and I got a shake at the end. It's like an Oreo creme brulee shake, and that was spectacular. So yeah, it's the first time I've ever eaten Gordon Ramsay food. I've been watching his shows and stuff for a whole lot of years and been a fan of his, and so it was really cool to finally eat a meal from one of his restaurants. And tomorrow we're going to Hell's Kitchen, so I'm going to go from not eating any Gordon Ramsay food to eating 2 nights in a row. We then headed out onto the Strip to go over to the Bellagio to check out some of the sights over there. The inside of the Bellagio is just spectacular. It's got this incredible glass ceiling art done by Dale Chihuly, which is so beautiful. It also has a botanical garden that's amazing. I haven't seen that many flowers in one place in my life. All right, we got done down at the Bellagio and Planet Hollywood, and now we drove down the street to the Venetian, and we're gonna head in there and check out some of the sights in there as well. So the inside of the Venetian reminds me more of Disneyland than just about any casino in Vegas, with the indoor canal and the lights and the painted ceilings that look like sky. It really is one of the most beautiful casinos on the Vegas Strip. All right, so we are done here at the Venetian and hanging out down on the Strip. We had a lot of fun down here. It was cool going to Planet Hollywood and the Bellagio and the Venetian. These are three of the prettier casinos to go check out. It has a lot of cool visual stuff to check out. So I'm glad we got to come down here and look at it and have a burger at Ramsay's Burger. And now we're gonna head back to Kim and Jason's house. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any favorite outdoor activities you've done in Las Vegas or favorite places you've gone to eat, please leave your comments below. We'd love to know what some of your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest adventures that come out. Thank you so much for spending time with us, and we sure hope you're doing something fun today to fill your bucket. Take care.